Alright, one last little video. That was on the burnt out embers for the past 5 minutes. Just a chestnut I picked up off the ground. Sweet chestnut. Horse chestnut are poisonous, but they are good for making soap. Sweet chestnuts are ones you can eat, and they're crap for making soap. So, warm it up a little bit, get a stick or something, push down, that will spread it out and open it. Do I have anything? There we go. What? Okay. In that one, I've got... You can cook these things, the little shells. You can cook those and you can chew on them. They taste like leather, but they do actually have nutrients in them. Same with the shell. You can cook those, make them in a soup or tea. I don't. And of course, got these. Always check first before you try munching on them. Don't just stick it in your mouth, because if you come from a tree, most of the time they're okay. Not all the time, but if they're on the ground, be very careful that they haven't been infested. So split them open, just have a look. So that one is a bit rotten on one side. That one's a bit rotten on one side. Peel that off, you can eat the rest. You see it's a bit manky there. That piece is fine. Next bit. Just keep forgetting the camera zoomed in for some reason. But it's a piece of crap camera. So peel them off, just in case they've been infested. Even if they're on a tree, they can still get infested with bugs. Split it open, just in case there's something inside. What's the old joke? What's worse than finding a maggot in your apple? Half a maggot. That is perfect. No chemicals.